How to fix your Hisense fridge not cooling but the light is on. So just a few things you can try and something just like a troubleshooting guide, since there may be a few things you may have left unchecked. So first of all, you can go ahead and check the temperature setting. Make sure the fridge is not set to warm or turned to off, and some manuals does note that this setting can be able to control the off, so this can stop the cooling cycle even though the fridge may still have power. Next, you can make sure the fridge is sealed properly. There are going to be times where someone may leave the fridge open, even just like a slight bit. It's not even this big of a wideness when it's open, even something smaller than that. So make sure it is properly closed. You can also clear blocked air vents. Move food away from the back wall and vents inside the fridge or freezer, since Hisense does warn that items blocking airflow can prevent proper cooling. And finally, you can give the fridge enough space and clean around it. Leave space behind the refrigerator so heat can escape, since Hisense does say the back of the fridge should not be too close to the wall and should have some clearance, around 2 inches or 5 centimeters of clearance. So if it still doesn't cool after these checks, you can unplug it for a few minutes, plug it back in, then monitor it. If the compressor does not start or the fridge stays warm, you're gonna have to contact Hisense support or an appliance technician, because it may need internal, electrical, or sealed system repair. So hopefully one of these can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.